So I've come on and I can't even lift the box up to show you. I went on to Fabulosa because they are doing Winter Angel, which is a dupe for Snow Fairy, and it smells absolutely amazing. And they've also brought another one out which is Scarlet Rose, and it's supposed to smell like rose jam. So I went onto the Fabulosa website and spent a fortune. So Freyja is in the background for me, and she's going to pass it all.
Hello.
Oh, she's going to pass it all out to me. So
There's a bunch of empty containers.
yeah. So I will say, when you order them from the Fabulosa website, they come like this, and that is probably because if you go into a store and pick up Fabulosa and it comes with a spray gun separate, if you pick up your Fabulosa, what happened to me yesterday in Poundland was I checked one of the lids and it was fine, but I didn't check the other one and it had gone everywhere. So that is a tip when you're in there. The lids aren't great, so make sure you tighten them before you put them in your bag. However, Fabulosa must be aware of that because they send them like this. So this is the Winter Angel Room and Fabric Freshener, and this is also the Winter Angel Powerful All-Purpose Degreaser. I didn't even know they did that. So Freya's just taking everything out of the plastic for me. Just pass it over, I'll do it. No, are you okay?
Next
She's quite
there is
independent.
Winter Angel.
Winter Angel. So this is a foam freshener that eliminates odours and leaves a long, luscious, lasting freshness without the need for vacuum. So for carpets, upholstery and also a room freshener. It smells amazing. It's a spray.
How much did you buy?
Oh Freya, that smells like Snow Fairy, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it smells good. How much did I buy? Yeah.
I think
You want to pass me up these ones?
Yeah.
Right, okay, so I might have gone a bit over the top with these. I got the room, another room freshener. So there's kind of 5 in total. Some of them are different sizes though. So there's this one 350 and this one's 500ml. I don't know what I was thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking.
So
Right.
next there is Scarlet Rose.
Scarlet Rose. So Scarlet Rose, and that's the antibacterial multi-surface cleanser. So what you can do is you can buy the Scarlet Rose if you like this neat, and then keep this bottle and dilute it. So this is already diluted and just ready to use. Pass me the next two.
And the next two is
You're not
more Winter Angel.
More. I think there's a theme in this video. So this is a
If
winter.
you can tell the theme, comment below.
Yeah, this is Winter Angel and it's concentrated disinfectant. So once you use this bottle, you can make it up with these. It just smells so gorgeous. I just had to do it. I only spent, I think it was about £20 because they're really cheap on the
Next
website.
there's more Winter Angel.
So this is the Winter Angel Fabulosa Spotless Kitchen. Removes dirt, grease and grime. So I do like the Fabulosa products, luckily for me.
There is more Winter Angel.
So this is multi-surface. It's a bicarb cleaning spray, but because they know their packaging's not that great, they send it like this and you get the spray, the trigger separate.
And there's more Winter Angel.
But this is for the bathroom. This is Dazzling Bathroom. Does leave your bathroom smelling amazing.
Next there is Winter Angel.
There we go, and this is a laundry cleanser. So if you're washing things at 30 degrees and you're a bit worried that, you know, it might not eliminate any odours, you can use it from a 20 degree wash and it does kill 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. So I use this if I'm washing on a 30 because the only things I would wash any hotter than that would be bedding, because you need to wash that, is it 40 or 60, I can't remember, to kill off things, and towels. It's the only thing I wash on a really hot wash. So I would pop that in my other washes.
3 bottles of Winter Angel.
Oh gosh.
I don't know.
Oh, so this is a ready to use disinfectant. So it is similar, it's the same as this one, but the spray gun bit's down there. So once this has finished, I will top it up with this. That's a more economical way of doing it though, because they're the same price, but you'd probably get, so one catful was 40 mils, so that's 500 mils. So you can see the difference. So that's the same price as that, but you would get like maybe 6-7 bottles of this out of that. So that is the plan anyway. Is that us yet? Nope, it's not us, not yet. We've still got
more Winter Angel. If you can count how many Winter Angel there is in this video, good job.
Good job. And this is a washing machine cleaner. I haven't been using washing machine cleaner. I've been using something else, and I'll show you that in the video. But I thought, okay, it smells gorgeous, I have to get it. So it's quite a lot in here. You pour 125 mils, so there's 250, so that's two shots. It was about £1. And last but not least,
there's two more.
There's two more.
And there is more Winter Angel.
More Winter Angel. Another bathroom cleaner.
I'm just trying to open this.
So we're opening the last one, and then we're going to go downstairs for a coffee. We've been outside helping Uncle Steve clean the car, and Lola came back from her walk.
And more Winter Angel.
More Winter Angel.
Washing machine cleaner.
So that's a washing machine cleaner. So I got 2 washing machine cleaners, 2 ready to use disinfectants. In fact, I actually got 3.
No one on this earth can count how many Winter Angels there is in this video.
Auntie Lynette was having a bad day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these fabric softeners. Not fabric softeners, room sprays. The degreaser.
The
foam freshener. Did you show people it?
Yeah.
The 2 disinfectants. 2 bathrooms.
And
2 bathrooms.
Scarlet Road.
Antibacterial, ready to use disinfectant in the Scarlet Rose. I got the kitchen cleaner. I got the bicarb cleaning spray. Bicarb's great in the kitchen. And I got the laundry cleanser.
2 dazzling bathroom.
And actually I've got a Scarlet Rose ready to use disinfectant over here. So I have no idea when I'm going to put this, and as you know I've been doing the year less, so I kind of failed with this. I also picked up more of the Scarlet Rose from Poundland as well. So yeah, I went a bit OTT, but this stuff smells amazing. If you love Snow Fairy from Lush, you will absolutely love this. It's fantastic. So anyway,
there is Spotless Kitchen.
Spotless Kitchen. So Freyja and I are going to go downstairs now. So we curled her hair. Do you want to turn around and show everybody your curls? No, turn around. So we curled her hair and done a little pleat and brought it back together. Because Freyja loves, or kind of wanted to have curly hair like Auntie Lynette today. Yeah. So we used the Fabulosa Curl Secret, but we've not set it with any hairspray or anything. No. So we're going to go downstairs and I'm going to make Uncle Steve a cup of coffee because we're off today, and Freyja came over to stay, so she likes coming to stay at Auntie Lynette's, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So she had sleeping beside me last night, and was I snoring?
Extremely.
Extremely. And what happened? When did I wake you up?
6.
6 in the morning with my snoring. Anyway, what can I say? But we had a late night, didn't we?
Yeah.
Wee bit of a late night. But no, Freyja was good. She talks non-stop. I thought I could talk, but she talks and talks and talks. Anyway, we're going to go now, and we'll speak to you soon. And Freyja's got something to say.
Don't you
forget
to like and subscribe, and my channel's down below if you want to see some of my videos.
So Freyja has a little YouTube channel that she's set up, and I think it's Sunny Girls.
Yeah.
But we'll link the channel name below.
Show my face.
You don't show your face?
No, not yet.
Not yet. You're not feeling that confident?
No.
No, but you're happy to come on and film with Lynette, weren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to go, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm actually wearing clothes, by the way. I just realised it's nice here today, so I popped this on because I'm not actually going anywhere. I do not bare my arms under any circumstances. I need to start doing some light weights and toning them up and things like that. But anyway, speak to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.